The best affiliate marketing programs to use in 2022. If you're a marketing professional in the digital age, affiliate marketing is a must. If you're not using it yet, you need to start. With affiliate marketing, you can make up to 75% of your sale from your website. It's an easy way to make money without having to invest anything upfront. In this post, we'll share with you what the best affiliate programs are and how you can use them effectively for your business in 2022. You'll also find out about some new trends that will be popular next year and tips on how to improve your affiliate marketing skills. What is affiliate marketing? There are different ways to make money online. Some people just sign up for affiliate marketing programs and let it do the work for them. Others pay an account manager to market the products and collect the commissions. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. There's a reason why they call it the easy way to make money. It doesn't require an MBA or any specialized skills, and you don't have to be a computer geek to get started. Instead of investing upfront, you can easily make money by simply referring your friends to their favorite product. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It's a low-effort way to make money online and doesn't take much time or effort. What is the best affiliate program to use in 2022? The most popular affiliate marketing program is undoubtedly Amazon Associates. In 2018, Amazon had 32 million affiliate programs for sellers and 157 million unique shoppers. By 2022, the company will have an estimated 91 million affiliate programs and an even more impressive 159 million unique shoppers. What is Amazon Associates? Amazon Associates is a program where merchants can sell products through Amazon. When a person searches for the product or a certain keyword on Amazon, the merchant's products are displayed on the search results page. When the shopper purchases the product through Amazon, the merchant receives a commission for his sales. Why should you start using Amazon affiliates? Amazon's affiliate program is one of the most popular affiliate marketing programs. How can you use affiliate programs effectively? Affiliate marketing is like having a referral system of your own. Instead of buying a product from a retailer, you could refer someone who buys your product to buy a product from another store. Once someone buys your product or gets a subscription, you get a commission. It's a simple system to use, and you don't have to invest much money into it. Here are the steps you can take to optimize your affiliate marketing. Get ahead of the competition. Affiliate marketing isn't just for small businesses anymore. Many big businesses use affiliate marketing to gain more customers. Some of them are as big as Forbes and Yahoo. Your readers won't believe the sales you make from product links you share on social media. Do all the research you need to get the best product prices from your affiliates. New trends you need to know for your affiliate marketing strategy in 2022. In just 1 year, we've gone from connected TV to autonomous cars. In the next one, we'll be on a mission to colonize the solar system. The innovations that are possible right now are mind-boggling, and they're here to stay. It's our job to keep up with the latest technology. This is what's happening with technology and gadgets, and how it affects the future of business and careers, according to the U.S. Department of Commerce. One of the best affiliate marketing programs to use in 2022 is Amazon.com. It's hard to say which company was the biggest influencer in 2018. Amazon, of course, reported a record profit in 2018 of $2.9 billion. Tips on how to improve your affiliate marketing skills. Affiliate marketing is an all-around marketing activity where you earn money from selling products on other websites. It also differs from traditional marketing, as you won't have to do much in terms of creating content and designing a website to promote your products. This is one of the reasons why it's easy to use affiliate marketing. You don't have to put in a lot of effort or resources into your marketing strategy. You only need to sell products on websites you already know are popular with your customers. For example, you can use affiliate marketing to sell your products on Amazon and eBay.